Hello guys, Colin here. Let's take a look at upgrading tuning machines on your guitar. This is generally a fairly simple upgrade, especially for cheaper instruments that come with basic tuners, such as my Ibanez ART here. These are the stock units. They are okay, but upgrading to better quality machines will provide more accurate and stable tuning. You may also wish to change modern machine heads for more period or vintage looking ones to fit the aesthetic of your guitar. I'm choosing to trade out these stock units for some chrome Grover machine heads which I've got left over from another project. Grover makes some very solid machine heads, and these buttons will fit the aesthetic of the originals. Let's start by taking off the existing tuners. Once we've got rid of the strings, we can start to loosen each machine head. There are two places these particular tuners are being held on, with the nut on the front and the small locator screw on the rear. I'll start with the nut. Using an adjustable spanner or wrench, I can carefully undo these posts and remove both them and the washer. Flipping the guitar over, we can take an appropriately sized Phillips crosshead screwdriver and remove the locator screw. Leaving the screw until last means that the tuner won't spin round as you are loosening the nuts on the front. The tuning machine should now easily pull out from the back. Now this is where I should bring up some points for consideration. As you can see, our new tuning machines don't exactly match our old ones. The position of the locator screws are in a different place. There are generally three different positions the locator screws can be in. Directly beneath, like these Grovers, to the side, like the original tuners, or under the machine itself in the form of a locator pin. Each of these different styles of machine head will require different holes to be drilled in the back of your headstock, and you may also find that different manufacturers have different widths of posts, so you may have to widen out the holes in the headstock to accommodate the new tuners. So if you've got a very expensive guitar or a vintage guitar, it's very advisable to make sure you get tuners that don't require you to modify your instrument. Most manufacturers will provide detailed dimensions so you know what you're buying will fit. If your guitar isn't a collector's item, however, and you don't mind drilling a few holes, then you can do the following. Locate the new tuner in the hole and line it up straight. You can use the nut on the front side to hold it in place. With the locator in the right place, mark the area to drill with a sharp object like a bradawl. A set of calipers is extremely useful for measuring the size of the locator screw. We want to measure the diameter with the threads and then choose a drill bit that is smaller than our measurement. That will ensure that there is plenty of wood for the screw threads to grip onto. Using either an electric or hand drill, we can then drill each locator hole. Make sure to mark off the required depth in the drill bit with some tape so that you don't go too far. Now you can screw in the locator screws, make sure all the nuts are tight, and we're ready to string the guitar back up with our chosen brand of strings. So there we have it, upgraded tuning machines. Now, as I said previously, not all tuners are the same size or have their locator screws in the same place. So this means when it comes to you doing this to your guitar, you might find things look a little bit different from what I've done here, but the process should pretty much be the same. So take care when you're buying your new tuners and make sure you consider things like post diameter, tuner spacing, locator screw positions, as well as the look and quality of the products you are buying. If you're happy like I am to modify your instrument, make sure you've got the relevant tools and experience required, because the last thing you want to do is mess up your guitar. If you like this how-to and want to see me do more guitar basics videos, then you can hit that subscribe button and you'll see all the new content as it comes out. You can also further support me over on Patreon and get exclusive access to secret stuff. Social media links are all in the description box underneath this video, and you can leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought of this and what other guitar basics videos I should do. Anyway, that's all for just now. So you guys want to keep it loud? I'll see you later.